Meaning of firewall.
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 Firewall. A firewall is a security system that controls and monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic. It acts as a barrier between internal and external networks, preventing unauthorized access to or from a private network. Firewalls can be hardware or software-based and use a set of rules to determine what traffic is allowed or blocked based on its source, destination, and other factors. By enforcing these rules, firewalls help to protect networks and the data they contain from various types of cyber threats, such as hacking, viruses, and malware.